Under the sea of the Kosterhavet National Park lies the study target of the Rockies, who decided to investigate functional interactions, the roles of organisms in the local underwater community of rocky shores. 3 different sampling locations were chosen: sheltered, semi-exposed, and exposed islet. Greater taxonomic diversity and functional complexity are expected in sheltered habitat. Wait! First, preparations. The engineers of the team are at work on a strange device using the software Arduino.
We are going to use this device, ultrasonic sensor, to measure the wave height.
Meanwhile, after a tour of the available equipment, the rest of the team is trying out the sampling plan in the field.
The plan was to visually survey underwater, but we realized it was not a realistic idea, so we will collect all the specimens.
After thorough preparation, field drills and rehearsal, the Rockies embark on the sampling adventure. 3 replicate transects are laid on each islet. Animals are collected along each transect and in 3 quadrats. Even though their boat riding skills are strained, the Rockies are unstoppable. Back to the lab. The samples are sorted and the algae are cleaned with seawater to retrieve all the organisms. But there is still some field outings to do, and the engineers set sail again, despite the harsh conditions, to install the wave measurement devices on each islet. In the shelter of the station, the rest of the team is working hard on the identification of the collected specimens: snails, amphipods and isopods, algae, echinoderms, and bivalves. The sailors are back, and they are greeted with puzzled faces when the rest of the team spots the devices that they were supposed to leave on the islands.
When we reached the island, the batteries were wet and they didn't work. We had only one device. We still didn't check this SD card, but it should be good.
Come analysis of data. So the stronger-hearted ones tackle statistical investigation and do brainstorming over brainstorming. Species were categorized into functional groups according to feeding types, locomotion, and site class. Lesser number of functional groups were observed on the exposed than the sheltered islet. Further studies could carry on deeper into the subject. But as for the Rockies, time has come to say goodbye to Tjärnö. And, who knows, maybe see you again.